Hello there, my friend. Welcome to the Lori Robertson podcast, and I am your host, Lori Robertson. This week, we have been doing a series on my love, my passion, property preservation. And so I started this series because a lot of people wanted to know a lot more about property preservation. So I thought I would do this to give people a place that they can come check this information out and see if it's something that they really are interested in, especially if you want to do real estate, but you don't want to sell, you don't have an experience, you don't have a license, but you want to be in real estate in some fashion or form. You can be in property management, you could be an investor, you can be a whole real estate agent, and you just want to, maybe create a side hustle or something. So today we are going to talk about bids and estimates. And the reason why we're going to talk about bids and estimates is because that is the next topic in my property preservation, I guess, series that I created, and it's also in my ebook, which I'll share with you down in the comments after we're finished, or the description when we're done. But this is something that I want to briefly touch on today, but it is very important. So your bids and estimates, at some point, whether you've done the actual inspection of a property or you're there to do a work order, there will be times where there will be other damages that may have been missed, by the banks, or that may have just happened to need repair. And a bid or an estimate is needed in order to do the work. So you may have been received a work order to just go out and do an inspection, or you may have received a work order where you just go out and cut the grass. But let's say you do go there and you notice that the fence is damaged on the property, or that the roof needs some repair. You can go back to either the company that you are doing the work for and let them know that in your inspection, or you can put in the notes of whatever your work order is, that you notice this type of repair is needed and that you would want to put in a bid for it or an estimate so that you can do the work. Okay, you need to make sure that you document all damages, vandalisms, etc. by writing them down, then taking photos and videos to ensure that you have everything to bid properly and competitively. Now, more often than not, the job is awarded to the lowest bidder. That's just the nature of the process. While you are working to make money, lenders are looking to save money. So, set yourself up. Make sure you are making money by putting in the best possible bid with the lowest price your company can afford, and then by doing the best quality work. Okay? Now, I cannot stress this enough to make sure you have some type of quality control in place for any and all work orders that you complete if you are hiring outside contractors. And in my masterclass course, I do have a quality control sheet that you can use to check off this to make sure that you are completing the work orders the way that you should, in a timely and professional manner. Now, winning the bid is very nice, but having quality work is key, right? Got to make sure your work is quality. So be cautious of your workers trying to get paid for work that is not done, or that's not done well, or that's completed. So make sure that when they're doing the work, they send you the pictures. They go out there when they're supposed to go out there to make sure it's done, and before you even pay them. If they don't do it, then of course you're going to have to get some other workers to go out there and do it, but you do not pay them for any work that has not, one, been completed, or that is done and done well. At the end of the day, this is your company, your business, and your livelihood. So make sure you have a system set up to ensure that the best work is being done. Now, this one episode here is very, very short and brief, but it is very, very important to your business. So sometimes you don't have to make a very long episode to get the point across. And really, none of these episodes have been more than 10, 15 minutes long anyway. But I think this is one of the shorter ones, but it is one of the most important ones. So I hope you found value in this information. If you are interested in learning more about property preservation, I have a free PDF about 7 reasons why you should start your own property preservation business. And I also have an ebook. So if you want to get your feet wet and you really kind of want to like do it yourself, I have a property preservation ebook called Property Preservations for Beginners, A Path to a Six-Figure Business. And then lastly, I have a masterclass, which is a 3-week course that I take you from the beginning all the way to the end to help you start your business, to getting your first, signing up with your first companies, and helping you get your first contract so that you can start making money within the 30 days that you have started on your quest. So, or also, I have one other thing. If you just need if you're already in the business and you need some help, I also offer consultation. So I'll leave that in the link as well. I mean, in the description down at the bottom or the show notes as well, so that you can reach out to me and I can help you. My goal is to help you in any way possible and to help you quit that soul sucking 9 to 5 so you can start your own business in the real estate industry and this little known niche of property preservation, which is a $1 billion industry. So I will see you on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was valuable to you. Leave me a comment. Please rate this episode and share it with anyone that you know that this may be beneficial to them. And also click the notification bell so that you would know every time I upload a new episode. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.